Good day everyone! How are you today? I hope you're fine. So we're now going to discuss about compound interest. This is a topic in general mathematics. Many bank savings accounts pay compound interest. In this case, the interest is added to the account at regular intervals, and the sum becomes the new basis for computing interest. Thus, the interest earned at a certain time interval is automatically reinvested to yield more interest. The following table shows the amount at the end of each year if principal P is invested at an annual interest rate or compounded annually. Computations for the particular example, P is equal to 100,000 pesos and R is equal to 5% is also included. So in this table, in the first column is the year, second column is the principal P, interest rate R, compounded annually, and amount at the end of the year. Principal is equal to 100,000, interest rate 5%, compounded annually, and amount at the end of the year. So that is on the second column. On the first row, so in the first year, so the principal multiplied by 1 plus R. So that is P multiplied by 1 plus R. So the R here, or the rate, is 5% or 0.05. So 100,000 multiplied by 1.05 is equal to 105,000. The next year, or the second year, P multiplied by 1 plus R multiplied by 1 plus R. So that would be P times 1 plus R squared. So that would be 105,000 multiplied by 1.05. That becomes 110,250 pesos. On the third year, so P multiplied by 1 plus R squared multiplied by 1 plus R. So that would be P multiplied by 1 plus R cubed. So that becomes 110,250 multiplied by 1.05. So that the answer is 121,550.63 pesos. On the fourth year, P times 1 plus R cubed multiplied by 1 plus R is equal to P times 1 plus R to the power of 4. So that becomes 121,550.63 multiplied by 1.05 is equal to 127,628.16 pesos. So the next is the formula for the maturity or the future value and compound interest. So that is F is equal to P times the quantity 1 plus R to the power of T, where P is the principal or present value, F is the maturity or future value at the end of the term, R is the interest rate, and T is the term or time in years. The compound interest is computed by I is equal to F minus P. Let's now have an example. Find the maturity value and the compound interest if 10,000 pesos is compounded annually at an interest rate of 2% in 5 years. The given here is P is equal to 10,000 pesos. The rate is 2% or 0.02. T or time is 5 years. Let's find A, maturity value F, and B, compound interest. Solution. The formula for the future value in the compound interest is P times 1 plus r to the power of t. So F is equal to 10,000 pesos multiplied by 1 plus 0.02 to the power of 5. F, or the future value, is 11,040.81 pesos. The formula for the compound interest is future value minus the principal value. So that becomes 11,040.81 minus 10,000 pesos, which is the principal, is 1,040.81 pesos. So the future value F is 11,040.81 centavos, while the compound interest is 1,040 pesos and 81 centavos. Let's have another example. Find the maturity value and interest if 50,000 pesos is invested at 5% compounded annually for 8 years. The given in the problem is the P, or the principal, is 50,000 pesos. The rate is 5% or 0.05, and T is 8 years. Let's find A, maturity value F, and B, compound interest I. Solution. A, F, or the future value, has the formula P multiplied by 1 plus R to the power of T. So that is 50,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 8. The future value is 73,872 and 77 centavos. For letter B, or the compound interest, is F, or future value minus the principal. So the compound interest is 73,872 and 77 centavos minus 50,000. So the answer is 23,872 and 77 centavos. The future value, or maturity value, is 73,872 pesos and 77 centavos, and the compound interest is 23,872 pesos and 77 centavos. Let's have the present value P at compound interest formula. So P, or the principal, is equal to F over 1 plus R to the power of T. That is equal to F multiplied by 1 plus R to the power of negative T, where P is the principal or present value, F is the maturity or future value at the end of the term, R is the interest rate, and T is the term or time in years. Let's have a problem. What is the present value of 50,000 pesos due in 7 years if money is worth 10% compounded annually? The given is F is 50,000 pesos, R, or the interest rate, is 10% or 0.1. T is the time, or 7 years. Let's find the P, or the principal. The present value P, or the principal, can be obtained by P is equal to F over 1 plus R to the power of T. So that is equal to 50,000 over 1 plus 0.1 to the power of 7. So the P, or the principal, is 25,657 and 91 centavos. So the present value is 25,657 pesos and 91 centavos. Now here are the references from Orlando A. Oronce, General Mathematics Manila Rex Bookstore, and from General Mathematics DepEd Teaching Guide and Module. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Subscribe for more content.